everybody! Welcome to Cucina con Manu. You are maybe wondering why I'm wearing this formal yellow jacket. Just because I got inspired by today's recipe, Biscotti al Limone. Let's see the ingredients for this recipe. 1 egg, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of sunflower oil, 1 lemon, 300 grams of farina, and then we will need a baking powder. In my case I have, as always, pan degli angeli. We break the egg, we add sugar, sunflower oil, we peel the lemon. Now we need to squeeze half lemon. We need now just a small spoon of baking powder, and we can start to mix. We can add little by little the flour. At this point, when I finish to add the flour, I can start to mix with the hand. Oops! Now I can keep working on the dough on my table. So I put a little bit of flour here. I take my dough and I start working with my hands. It's perfect. Okay, the dough is ready. Now we need to create small balls and we're gonna put these small pieces on a pan with this oven paper. I cut the dough in few pieces, I roll it and I start to cut. And now let's create the balls. It's a very easy recipe, you have to try it. In the meantime, you can turn on the oven at 180 degrees. Oops. Okay, my lemon balls are ready. I decided to split them into pans because I had a bad experience in the past with biscotti, so I wanted to be safe. Now I will keep them in the oven for about 20 minutes. Voila! The lemon biscuits are ready, and now, of course, I'm gonna taste them. This is the final result, and now thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to try these lemon biscuits, let me know and leave me a comment. Ciao and a presto!